Getting inspired by this photo, I tried to make that Independence Day photo. If you want to know how to shoot this kind of photos, then stay connected with me. So I'm shooting solo shoot କରିବାକୁ ପଡୁଛି. No one is here to help me. uh, I hope the shoot will come great. No one is here to help me out. So how you can shoot solo in the rice field? Okay, so the idea of taking this photo is quite simple. The lower end should be green, तो ତଳପଟା ଟିକେ ଗ୍ରୀନ୍ ଗ୍ରୀନ୍ ରଖିବା, ଦେନ୍ ସ୍କାଏ ସୁଡ୍ ଅରେଞ୍ଜ. ସୋ ଆଇ ୱାଜ୍ ୱେଟିଂ ଫର୍ ଦ ଆଫ୍ଟରନୁନ୍. ମୁଁ ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ଆଫ୍ଟରନୁନ୍ ଯାଏ ୱେଟ୍ କରୁଥିଲି କି ଆକାଶଟା କେମିତି ଅରେଞ୍ଜ ହେବ. बट क्या कर सकते हैं, सन एज डाउन नहीं गया है और द स्काई इज़ क्लाउडी. सो दैट्स ऑरेंज स्काई नहीं मिल रहा है. वी वांट दैट ट्राई कलर इंडियन फ्लैग. So I have to take my own by using that time, what's that called, timer ଦେଇକି କ୍ୟାମେରାରେ ଉଠାଇବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ. So I have to use that timer one. ଓ ଆକାଶରେ କିଛି ନାହିଁ, no sun. ତ ଏଟାକୁ ମୋତେ ଲାଗୁଛି ଲାଇଟ୍ ରୁମ୍ରେ ଫିକ୍ସ କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ with the edit. ଦେଖିବା କେମିତି ଆଉଟପୁଟ୍. After shooting the photo, I have to enhance the photo a little bit to tweak that tricolor. So I open the photo in Lightroom, then I enhanced it. You can see this is before and after. आई यूज़ सम मास्क. आई यूज़ ए टॉप मास्क जहाँ पे मैं थोड़ा इसका जो टेम्परेचर है वो वार्म टोन देने के लिए इंक्रीज़ किया हूँ. एंड द टेक्सचर आई डिक्रीज द लिटिल बिट ऑफ टेक्सचर. दैट्स इट. एंड अनदर मास्क is here on the top of that mask to create another warm tint here. Look at this. Temperature is high always because I want that orange tone or the top of the layer. Then bottom layer I am showing you. देख लो वो bottom layer क्या है. This is just retouching that dress, and this is the face recognition, and I am just brightening in the skin a little. No, it's okay, but I want to make the shadows a little, increase the shadows and decrease the temperature a little. Skin tone and that natural skin tone, and I want to reduce the saturation a little bit. Yeah, I hope it's correct. So I add a little bit. I add the shadow on the top, bottom left corner. Here is a entire subject. मतलब to select the entire subject, I use a radial gradient tool. I decrease the temperature a little bit, saturation a little bit here, and all the settings I am showing it to you. And the full image is like this. It's a landscape image, so to convert it to the portrait, I use the 5:4 aspect ratio with the portrait mode, because I will post it on Instagram. So that's it, done.